Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video I'm doing as promised. As a previous post I made stated, the Army Painter have kindly sent me a care package, 2 items, and we're going to open the first of which today, and it's this. Yes, the Warpaints mega set. Now I did request the Speed Paints version 2, but unfortunately all the promotional packs have been accounted for and dispatched, so I couldn't get one of those, but they gave me a choice of what I'd like to have a try at, and I sent them 3 options because I wasn't sure exactly which ones to go for, and they sent me 2 of the 3, so that's incredibly generous of them. I was not expecting 2 items, I was expecting 1 of the 3, but this is the first of the items they sent me. So thank you, Adam and the rest of the Army Painter team, for sending me this package. But yes, Army Painter mega set. I've not tried the Army Painter paints before. As you can see on here, it says, hopefully you can see on here, it says that the mixing bowls come preloaded in every bottle, and they come in a triad of colours, and they can be used straight out of the bottle through the airbrush. That remains to be seen. As I say, I've not tried these yet. This is just the unboxing. We'll be going through and having a try with these properly in a future video. But let's have a look at what's inside, shall we? Let's get our knife of opening out. I can't find my normal knife, so no, that's not the knife. I've not used this for a while. God, you can tell I've not used this for a while. Look at the state of that knife. Jeez. Oh yeah, it needs a good cleaning and sorting out. I will do that later. I just couldn't find any of my other knives. I don't know where they've all vanished to. So here we are. Let's zoom in on this camera a little bit, shall we? There we are. Now, got to bear in mind, I'm looking at this in my normal way. That camera up there is looking at it like that. So what I've done is I've flipped the rotation. I've rotated the camera around so you can see it as I'm seeing it as well. So that might be why you might get a little bit of iffiness with this, but that's the reason. That was, I hasten to add, the box, not me. Okay, so first off we find that we have the change glasses so I can read what I'm seeing. So we get the obligatory Army Painting guide. These are a free guide you can take from shops and whatever. They usually put them in with the products. I like these guides. They're very, very detailed in how to use their system, whether you use them as it says in the guide or not. Entirely up to you, but to start off with, this book is a really nice one to follow. And now you get a list of the full range of 134 war paints. I won't go through them all, and on the back it tells you how to use the war paints and how to care for the brushes as well. And here we have Warpaints areas here, and this gives a list of what to do and how to airbrush as well. So let's go. Right, as you can see, straight out of the box, they're jumbled. They've all come out of the housing So none of them are where they should be. But that doesn't matter. We can sort them out as we need to. So let's open the first pack. As I said, this is not a video where we're using these. As I say, it's just an unboxing video. I just want to have a look at what's in here and to make sure there's no problems with the delivery, like any of the bottles bursting or whatever in the box. Everything looks well, apart from out of sync. But we have Chaotic Red, we have Gemstone, that's an metallic, nice. Pixie Pink, we have Gauze Green, and we have Glitter Green, that's another one of the metallics. And on this side we have Shining Silver, Tainted Gold, we have True Copper, we have Rough Iron, that's one I really do like, and Elven Armour. Okay, so we have the metallic, coloured metallic ones that were in the coloured metallic set that they sent me last year. So we've got repeats of them in the airbrush range, and we've got other colours as well. So I'm assuming the ones that are in here are also double ups for the Warpaints range. I assume there's no difference in the colour names, so you can mix and match. I'll have to go through and compare and contrast and whatnot, but we'll see. As I say, I'm not sure of the triads at the moment, but I will be able to double check on that, going with the information they've sent me, hopefully. There we go. So we're starting off here with, do I need to zoom in a little bit more? I think I do. So let's do that, shall we? Okay. So we zoomed in. So we have Oak Brown here, Nomad Flesh, Lava Orange, Greedy Gold, Orange Magma, Cypress Brown, Magnolia Brown, Elemental Bolt, Majestic Forest, and Psychic Shock. So they're the colours that are in that tray. I will be putting these into another holder. I'm not be keeping these in the cardboard boxes. I have a lovely little pouch that I have my painter paints in, and as such I will be getting another one. So I'm just putting the paints in here. I'm not looking at trying to match with this triad scheme they have going on, but at the moment I'm not seeing, there's no issues that immediately jump out and indicate there's a problem with any of these. So in this box, on this tray, we have matte black, matte white, skeleton bone, uniform grey, plate mail metal, alien purple, ultramarine blue, not purple, green skin, demonic yellow, and pure red. A few of these, demonic yellow, pure red, uniform grey, skeleton bone, alien purple, I do have already in the Warpaints range. So it would be nice to see how they compare. We'll be doing that in a later video, don't worry. Next sets we have. It would be nice if these come in a tray where they're held a little better. That way, what's the word I'm looking for? We can keep track of them a little more. They can put them in the order and then they'll hold. But hey, as long as I've got them, as long as they've not bust in the box and made a mess everywhere, I can sort them out myself. I don't need be holding, but it will just be nice. You know what I mean? Okay, so in this tray we have Imp Yellow, Fairy Pink, Coven Purple, Broodmother Purple, Traitor Red, Feral Green, Exile Green, Unforgiven Green, Regiment Grey, and Cadra Grey. So that's that set. There's a lot of nice coloured paints in here. There's some I don't have. I just get rid of these for the time being. Yeah, there's some I don't have in the main colours, so it's nice to at least have them. Let's have a look what's in here. Okay, I'm going to try and put it so that they're all face up. And when I put these back in the box, I'm going to be keeping the box horizontal, so hopefully they won't get messed up and jarred about too much until I can get a new pouch for these, because I don't want them in mixed in with the other ones. I want these in a separate pouch. But yes, I'm saying pouch. It's actually a case for holding essential oils. I get those kind of cases. You can get big ones, small ones, that kind of thing. But these will they are filled with foam, little holes in them. Ideal size for carrying these around in. So I highly recommend getting some of them. I'll put a picture at the end of the video so you can see what I mean. Anyway, in this set we have what's this? Ionic Blue, Bulwark Brown, Sapphire Gem, Omega Blue, Crystal Blue, Angel Green, Bleached Bone, Rawhide Brown, Charred Bone, and Cosmic Blue. Some really nice shades in here. I do like that Ionic Blue, and the Angel Green is nice as well. But then again, I do like Angel Green, even though I didn't collect Dark Angels when I was collecting 40k stuff. I went for Salamanders, but I do like the Angel Green, or as it is known in motor racing terms, British Racing Green. Also, I believe. At least it's a very similar colour anyway. Again, as I say, I'm not trying to organise these into any particular shade, or trying to get the triads right. I'll sort that out later on. But I'm just trying to get these back into some form of order. And in here, I get a little thank you note and contact details if there's anything smashed, missing, or broken. That's nice. Keep that somewhere. So, in this set we have Barbarian Flesh, and Carmine Red, Archangel Red, Savage Green, I like that colour, Rebel Red, Molten Orange, Wildling Flesh, Leather Brown, Incursion Orange, and Fey Pink. The one thing I've noticed in this, there is not many flesh tones. There again, saying that, I do have the flesh tones paint sets, but yeah, it would be nice to see a few more skin tones in this. But I suppose you could mix different colours to make that skin tone. Doesn't make any difference. Usually, really, I suppose with skin tones you go in with a brush anyway, just to keep it nice and neat. But yeah, everything is present and correct. There's no issues with this box. And we have, how many paints is in this box? Where's the box lid? We have, it doesn't say. Wow. would be nice to know how many's in here. Let's see, 50 paints, 9 metallics. I didn't look at the back of the box, which is unusual for me when I'm doing an unboxing video. So we have 50 war paints, 9 metallics, 1 fluor. I'm not sure what a fluor is. Fluorescence, I suppose. Yeah, fluorescence. The gauze green is a fluorescent paint. And we have 16 colour triads all together. So this is the colour triad. And it says the Warpaints Mega Set is a fantastic way to either start or enhance your collection of airbrush paints. It contains a wide selection of colours, from crisp base colours to shimmering metallics, even adding a vibrant fluor into the mix. All Warpaints are pre-mixed and airbrush ready right out of the bottle and made from ultra-filtered vibrant pigment. The Warpaints range have been developed in a unique and innovative triad system. Each matching Warpaint acrylics colour has a corresponding base and highlight colour. This makes highlighting and zenithal shading a breeze and army painting even faster and more cohesive. So for example, we have here for the base colour you would use Savage Green, for the mid-tone you would use Green Skin, and for the highlight you'd use Feral Green. As an example, you don't necessarily have to use that, but that's the example they give on the box, and it also gives an example of how it looks once you've got the base colour down the mid-tones and then the highlight over the mid-tone, which is over the base. So yeah, a lovely set of 60 paints. I'm absolutely speechless at the fact that they actually sent me this out, and I'm really looking forward to making a start on using these. I have a project already set in mind to what I'm going to start on it with, and hopefully we can get that sorted fairly soon. All I need to do is get my craft room sorted out. But there we have an image of the box. I'll just zoom out a touch so you can see it fully. There we are. And once again, I'd like to thank Adam and the rest of the Army Painter team for sending me out this box and the next box we're going to be unboxing. But for now, that's all we have time for. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.